So today I was supposed to get a package in the mail which consisted of my stainless brake lines for the Miata and bleeder valves, but sadly FedEx decided to ship my package to someone else. I don't know where it is, I don't know who has it. They said that they don't know where it is, so now I gotta wait a little bit longer for the brakes on that. So in the meantime, I didn't want to let my day off go to waste, so we're working on the Mini again, and today we are going to be using this just 2.5 inch diameter pipe that I got from AutoZone. It was like $6. We're going to be using this to make a intercooler muffler delete. So inside there's a little muffler that is in the intake track tube. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's a little hard to tell. Yeah, we can't see it. I'll show you guys though. It's a little intake. There's a little muffler in there that I would like to delete because it gives you more turbo sounds, gives you more of the whining as it's spooling up, and I just think it'll probably sound cool. So let's jump into it and see how it goes. And as with most things on the Mini, we need to take off the coolant reservoir tank. You always got to take this thing off every single time for anything. I'm glad that it's easy, but it is a little bit annoying sometimes. Alright, so to get in there, we have to get... Ooh, let me see if I can squeeze by. It's this clamp and then one right below it, and we're basically just trying to take out this whole black part that connects the two tubes from the intercooler to the outlet of the turbo. And this would be a lot easier under the car, but I don't want to jack up the car, so we're going to use two really long extensions, a small swivel, and a 7mm socket. I lost half of it. Alright, now that the intercooler piping is loose, we can just pull it right off, hopefully. Alright, and to get the actual muffler out, because it is connected with a torque bit on the, front left side of it, kind of. It is connected with a torque bit to kind of like where the radiator would be. Looks like it is a T25, so that's good at least. Ha! Finally! Oh my god! That was the worst possible thing ever. That one little bolt. Oh, nope. Not quite. Come out. There we go. God damn. That's the muffler right there. And this thing, holy crap, that was hard to get off. Alright. The pipe was the wrong size. I think we need 2 inch, but I have both pipes. I'm going to take them back. I'm going to see which one fits best, and we'll go from there. And we will be cutting this pipe down to the same length as this muffler. So we're just going to line it up right there. Line it up right next to it. Draw a line. And we'll cut right there. That'll be about what? Maybe 6 inches. And while it is really cool to have sharp bits of metal in your intercooler, I'm not really a fan, so we're gonna go ahead and deburr these. And just to make it blend in a little bit better, we will be painting this with a satin black enamel, just to clean it up a bit so there's not a raw pipe in there. pipe is all done, painted. I have it hose clamped to the top hose so I can just slide it right into the bottom and tighten it from there without getting under the car. Came out pretty good actually. It's the perfect size too, so let's get it in there and see how it sounds. The pipe is installed. We're gonna check it out to see if it starts. It should. There's no reason that it shouldn't. Alright, still starts. Still got that low tire light. Gonna let it stay running for just a second and we'll see if there's any problems. Give her a couple revs, I guess. So, first impression, starting it up, it's not much different. You can hear a little bit of the spooling right at the beginning, and I could also hear my intake. There's just like a sound when you have a cone filter on your engine. That kind of is a little bit more prominent. I do want to take it for a drive. We'll test it there just to see what the difference is, if it is worth it, because it really was not that big of a muffler, but I figured, hey, it's an easy DIY. So I'll take it out for a drive real quick and we'll see how it goes. So I just took it for a little bit of a drive. Quite honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed. Nothing much was different, especially in the sound. It could just be a butt dyno, but I did maybe spooled up maybe 100, 200 RPM quicker than normal. Other than that, there really wasn't any sound difference. I didn't hear much anything at all, really. So, in conclusion, took me about 15 to 20 minutes, provided that you'd already had the pipe. I had to go back to AutoZone and get it. It would have taken me about 15-20 minutes to get it all done real quick. Is it worth it? If you already have it out for whatever reason, maybe you're changing intercoolers or you are cleaning up stuff, whatever it is. If it's already out, maybe it's not a bad idea to do it real quick, but really don't spend a day to do it just because. It's really not worth it in my opinion. So other than that, I mean, it was pretty cool. Learned a little bit about the car more. It is still a new car to me, so I am learning little mods here and there. Really, other than that, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, the next one, so long as FedEx does work with me a little bit, we will be getting the brakes done on the Miata finally, because that thing has not had brakes for about a week now. It's been pretty bad. I miss driving it. So other than that, that should be it. Yeah, later.